Sup guys, welcome back to another Stranger Things video. Okay, we're gonna get straight into this because I can't remember where we left off. Right, classic. Yeah. I remember there was a bear. And I got really frustrated because I had no idea what I was doing. Punch these bushes. Okay, so guys, where we left off last time, I've got no idea. I will have to go back and check. Oh wait, no, I remember. So we unlocked a few gates. No, I did. Oh yeah, so guys, sorry, but I did some off-screen work, and I got a card from here, and I don't think I can fit in here. Nah. Anyway, so I got a card in there. I can't remember if that was what I did in the last episode, but I got a card from there. I got attacked by a bunch of owls. You know, the usual. You know. Oh, I'm just gonna go check if God. I'm just gonna go check if that's what we did in the last episode, because I don't think it was. I think we unlocked this gate, I'm pretty sure. Oh no. Yeah, we unlocked that gate, I remember. Ah! No. Bad. Maybe one of these bushes will have the key card in it. And while I was doing some off-screen work, I found these new guards, and they are really strong. Like, they had red suits and all that. Okay, I don't know why I did that. Hey! No. Stop. No. I will be, yeah, here's where the red guys were. I will be starting a series with my friend called, oh my god! Oh, that was sad. Out of here! Can I go in here? No. Alright, so I'm starting a series with my friend Ethan. It's gonna be called Something Completely Random Stuff. I'm not sure if the channel he made it yet, but we're gonna be sharing it. And we're gonna do some game videos on it. So yeah, go check that out. Feel free to leave any comments in my videos. I don't really care what you say. Unless it's positive stuff. Oh no. I'm being attacked by everything. I think this is where I did some off-screen work. Alright, got enough rocks. I think this is where I did some off-screen work and I got a bit lost. Okay, yep. Oh my god. Okay, that was scary. Okay, I don't know where I'm going. Oh yeah, Honey Bear was over here. So I had to bring him here, then he has to break through this. Which I have no idea how. So I need him, that's for sure. I missed. Alright, go there. Come here. That. Go! Ah! Oh, he needs to get past. Go! No? This may take some time.
One eternity later.
I'll go there. What? Oh, okay, that makes so much sense now. Alright. Hit that. Go there. Hit that. Wait, what? Hit that. That. Yes! Oh my god, finally. Yeah, take that. No, that was a good boy. I'm sorry. I need rocks. Money. Yeah. What's this? It's locked. I need a key card to open it. Yeah, okay, I need key cards in these bushes. Let's see. No. Coins. No, why? Why do you have to go in there? That. Me money. Oh, wait. Oh! I needed the bear for that. Okay, me and this bear are no longer friends. Even though we probably weren't at the start. Rocks? No rocks. Oh, that's annoying. This game just trolled us. Sure. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Oh, nice. Okay. What am I doing? Let's go back and do this all over again. Be right back, guys. it, guys! We got it! There goes the bed. We got it though! And I just shot that. That sucks. Another gate opened. Alright, cool. Okay, I'm gonna need a few rocks. Alright, thank God these are here. No! My rocks. Mine. Whoa! That's a whole bundle of cash over there. How do I get the bear? Like, to this area, like, honestly. Well, oh, no. Oh, what? Oh, I think I see what I have to do. Okay. Don't see me. So I gotta shoot this one. It's like about to. Think I see what I gotta do. No! I missed it! Oh, it sucks. Oh, gotta wait there. Alright. So I see what I gotta do. Alright. So, shoot. He's gonna flex his muscles, then he's gonna come get me. Wait, what? Are you serious? Did he actually not come get me? Dude, seriously? Actually? Come get me! Oh! I hate this so much! And I'm shooting everything. Alright, so I've just wasted all my stuff. Oh. Can I sneak past? Oh, honey bear. Ah! Why? Do I like need this bear? Oh my. These things are so annoying. Alright, so I need honey bear to go over here. Honey bear! Alright, first I want you to kill this guy. No! Seriously! Ah! Honey baby! Okay, shoot that. Alright, now you should take out him. Yes! Oh god, finally. Kick on! And rocks! Rocks, oh my precious rocks. I've never said that in my life. Ah! Are you serious? Are you ruining the moment? Rocks! Oh no, I'm sorry. Oops. Will you go over here? Go! No? Okay. How can I get you to go there? So, keycard might go here. There we go. Oh, okay, I see what I'm gonna do. Oh, but the bear trap. Come on! You serious? Oh! Ow. Oh, I got so close. I've got to do it all over again. Oh, that sucks so much. I got rocks though. Ah! Oh. Why? Done. Come get me. No. Get your butt out of here. No, no. Oh no. Wait, whoa, what's that? Yo, there's something up there. Oh, another boss level. Making it back. Sucks. Wait, did I ever go this way? I didn't. I swear I didn't go this way. No, I didn't. Oh. Yeah! Okay, I'm just gonna cut it. So that you don't have to watch me do this all over again. Be right back! Ow! Oh my god! Bro, this thing's invincible. Actually. Give me a heart. No heart? Seriously? From all of that? I want the money. Give me the money! God. Punch. Yay! Oh, I should have got the key. I should use it there. Yay! I'm only recording the parts where I get Hato and I'm done. Oh my god. You're joking, I'm being bullied by bats. Whatever these things are. Get out! I need to find someone who can break that. Oh, guys, we made it back. Jesus. Only took us about 3 years. You know? Yeah. Honey bear! Come on! Bear, help me! Friends. Ooh, fight me? Let's go. Oh my god! Punch. Honey bear! Go, 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 go! We made it back, guys! We actually did it. Now go kill him. Whoa, she just ate him. I should not have picked this up. Yup. There's actually nothing over this. Why would I use it there? You know what? I'm actually bothered to go back and see what was at the other place. Can't believe I'm doing this. Oh, I regret it! Oh my god, I regret it. I actually regret it. Alright, there may be another key card over here. Ah! Come on. Key card. No. Oh no! It's a nightmare! No! You serious? Drop hearts! Oh yes, guys. Sorry, sorry for not posting during the other days. Yeah, honey bear, and I'll do this trap done. And I wasn't pressing the other days because I had a bunch of assessments at school. And yeah, move. Anyway, I had a bunch of assessments at school, so I composed and I was studying and all that. Yeah. That typical stuff. Get that back! And then bad. And so yeah. Well, what those are going down way quicker. I need to hit those. I said them. That's good. Oh no. You need oh no, yeah. These things take longer. That's so bad. Go. Go. Shoot it! Go, bear, go! Here, bear, here! Good enough. No! Didn't mean to use you. Here, get that out of here. Whoa. Oh, okay, so I was meant to do that last. Whoops. Oh no, I've done this completely out of order. Wait, that's Jonathan's lens. Yay, it's the lens filter for a fancy camera. The initials, JB, Jonathan Boyer, are on the edge. Alright, cool. The thing is, I kind of, how do I get back? Yes, this can be bad. It can be bad, but look at the bright side. I'm an idiot. Oh no! I wasn't meant to go there. Oh God, you serious as well? Ah! Oh, okay. You're both still alive. Ow! Come on! I swear I punched that time. Yes. Oh, no heart. Ah! No! 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 No. Ooh, yay. Oh! Ah! No! 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 Oh my god, die! Ah! You serious? Fight me? Let's go. Ah. Yeah, that's right. Oh god, there's so many. Ah! Come here. Fight me? Let's go. Yeah, that's right. What? You can shoot there? No! What? Ah! Come on! Ah! Seriously. I didn't really need the bear for that. Oh, thank god, there's another keycard. Oh my god. Ow. Oh my god, no! I'm not dying as soon as I find that keycard. No! 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 Yes. No! No! Ah! Okay, I'm gonna stop now. Ah! Ah! I'm lost! Yeah, guys, this could be bad. All that screaming for nothing. Or maybe not. Nope, never mind. Punch! Punch! Yes! Oh! Wait, what's down that way? No. Wasn't that way? Oh, no. Wait, I just saw it. It's over here. Yes! Yeah! Get that out of here. Find me, boy. Let's go. Ow! What? What? I can't reach that. Ah. Oh! Punch it. Go, go, go! Hit it. Come back. Come here, bear. Come here, bear. Punch. No! Wait, what? Oh, that's not where I was meant to go. Oh, I wasted a rock as well. Ah! That is so. Wait. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I just hit that. Go! It's like right there. If I hit that, then hit that, then hit that, then he's gonna go there, then hit that. Oh god, it's halfway. And go here, I can't reach it. That's typical. Go there! Dude, seriously? And hit that! Please. Yes! Oh my god! Oh, I hate that bear. Oh, I wasted so many rocks. Oh, ah! Yeah, what? Oh, my friend's right. It was Nancy who made that. But ah, I'm gonna fight you. Oh, okay. Where you hiding from those lab jokes too? I saw a gay and I thought maybe Bob. Then these guys all showed up, so I hid. We need to stop the guards in this forest. They're definitely up to no good. Oh no way! I got Nancy. Wait, what? That's not Nancy. How do I? What? How do I see my characters? Oh, I thought that was Steve. Fine. Incredible. That should be Steve's bat, but fine. Wait, you should be able to break through this. Yes! Oh my god, yes. The one that I was meant to open ages ago. Excuse me, these meant to have nails in it, the bat. Oh my god, destroy it. Just destroy all the trees, like, in this forest. They're so annoying. Bash! Can you hit this? No, I can't. Bash it. Wait, can you hit that? No, I can't reach it. Oh, I can get the money. Oh, that's delicious looking coins.
Nice.
Those are some delicious looking coins. Oh, 200. Wait, I can do so much exploring now. Oh, nice. I can destroy this. Gnarly. Can't destroy that. Destroy. Can I destroy rocks? No, I can't. Let's go destroy some trees, yeah? Trees. What am I doing? Nothing. What's over here? Ooh, I can explore. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Okay, that's just way back there. Ooh, what's down here? Ooh, okay. Anything interesting? Forest maze. Alright, that's where I started. What's down here? Wait, can you fit in there? Yeah, okay, I thought so. Okay, is there anything else I can explore with this? Wait, what? That's still going down? Oh, I want to explore like everything with this Nancy. Hey, I may have to stop the recording soon because I'm recording for like 24 minutes. And, okay. Oh yeah, I will be stopping this recording soon. Actually, we'll do the boss fight. We'll do the boss fight. Then we'll do some more exploring with Nancy in the next episode. I'm lost. Smack. What? That's better. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to pick that up. Is there here? I'm so lost. Wait, maze. Demon thing's over there. Oh, I was actually going the right way. Here we go. Ooh, that was creepy. Oh, okay. Why is there a gate there? The bush is jumping. Well, that's not right. Hi. Oh! What is this? I don't like this. Oh, what? What? Get out of here. Okay, that's really annoying. How? Am I meant to use you? I can use you on him. Oh! Oh, what? Okay. Ow! You're beating up a kid! Okay, guys. Well, what am I doing? What? Okay. Okay, guys, we'll end this episode here, and we'll take this forest ambushes later because you know, Nancy's pretty badass. And yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Subscribe to me. Feel free to comment. Anyone who comments they want a shout out, or you know what? Anyone who comments their favorite Stranger Things character, or which Demogorgon stage they liked, because I've seen all the seasons of Stranger Things, I can say that unless you haven't, get out. But seriously, comment down your favorite person of Stranger Things, and I will be picking who can get a shout out in the next episode. Goodbye. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Bye. No, that was weird. Goodbye.
Till it's cool, just cool, then into the mouth. Nice. 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 Nice.